Hello, friends. Once again, we are back with a huge success story of A.S.S Science Foundation. Recently, the exam, which was held for the PhD entrance examination of DTU, formerly known as Delhi College of Engineering in Environmental Science and Engineering, where 7 of our students out of 25 got selected and qualified the entrance examination for the same, and few of them were preparing for NET-LS and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering with us. So A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate all of these 7 people who have qualified the exam. They have worked hard under the supervision of experienced team of A.S.S Science Foundation in spite of the odd conditions outside, and they succeeded in the entrance examination. We congratulate them and wish them good luck for the interview which is coming up. Talking about the program, so currently we are open for NET-LS and JRF batch for exam to be held in November. And from July 11th, we are supposed to start for GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution for 2022. So those who are willing to join, they are most welcome. So once again, we are congratulate these people for the grand success. Thank you.